seriously, I don't even. Breathe in, bro. Breathe in. Mom, does anybody have an asthma?
Mom!
Does anybody have an asthma?
Alexa.
My name's Toon.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Hey yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Toon Dollars, and today this is a very special unboxing, and I got my guy
June.
My brother June. Hey yo, y'all seen my brother June for the very first time ever, dog. Y'all seen him on a few vlogs with me, except he had emoji on his face. But now we just the no face gang, you know what I mean? No face, no trace, no. But yeah, y'all see this? Yeah, this is my bro right here. And unfortunately, the guy Moan Dollars, Ramon and Kid's Garage, bailed out on me, and I called up my bro. I said, yo bro, you down to do the hottest pepper challenge in the world, I thought? And he said, for sure.
For sure.
But he don't know what he getting himself into, and I think he gotta go to work in a few, so I'm gonna let him pop this open. Rip it open, bro. Rip it open. Yeah, alright. So
what are we looking at?
I don't know what to expect, y'all, and he don't know what to expect.
Yeah,
I think I know what to expect more than him, but let's see. We about to do the Carolina Reaper challenge. Hey yo, what they sent us some dust. Sent us, hey yo, look it. Ooh, I think they sent us some drug contraband.
Oh man, dog.
Hey yo, this is from down south, from the border, SA. This is from like El Chapo's hood, dog. Hey yo, check it out. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can't. Yeah, let them get a little sneak peek. Matter of fact, they don't even want to see the wrapper. They want to see the actual peppers. Yeah, check it out. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Woo, look at this.
Oh, word. Okay.
So we got 4 dried Carolina Reaper peppers. These was the only things this season. They didn't really have no fresh ones, so I had to take them how I get it. You know what I mean? Hey, why they got the little fresh little sneaker baggy, little BDBs that be trying to keep stuff dry, right? Be trying to keep it fresh. About to open this joint up. Check it out. Look, they gave us the little pouch that that comes in the sneakers and everything. Isn't that crazy? That's to prevent moisture. All right, y'all. So one of them is broken. I definitely want to probably do a little growing on. I probably want to try to grow. You know what I mean? A little seasonal batch. So next year we could eat them Johns straight fresh off the bristle. But for right now, I'm gonna bless him with one of these. Put this in your hand, my friend. Do not eat it just yet. I have to explain the rules to the viewers, and I have one right here. I'm gonna let them see that. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, look at that. It's about to get nasty, dog. Yo, it's about to get crazy. Now listen, the rules are you have to chew it before you swallow it for 15 seconds.
All right. See that.
And then after you swallow it, the counter starts. Yo, we need something that's gonna count 5 minutes. Hey, yo, Alexia, you wanna be our counter? You have a phone on you, don't you? You should be our counter. Do you have a timer on that phone? Or no? If not, you could just look at the clock for 5 minutes. You got a timer, right? Pull out the timer, and when I say set it and look out for us for 5 minutes, all right? I got my wife on one cam, I got my sister on the other cam, I got my other sister on the timer, and I got my bro with the pepper in his hand. Hey, yo, this is a whole family triage.
No.
All right, dog, so chew it for 15 seconds, swallow. We have to last 5 minutes. No water, no milk, no food, no nothing. When the 5 minute mark hits,
it's over. Then we could drink.
Then you could drink it if you want to. But if you tap out and you need water and you need milk, then you lose. Then you lose.
Gotcha. Don't know what to expect.
Ready?
Let's go.
Cheers.
This was for sure looks like.
Here you go. True. This joint tastes like death, bro. This is death, bro. Swallow it. Automatically, I tasted the kick. Whoa. It tastes like... Start that timer. It tastes like dark matter.
Oh man, listen, I ain't even talking because how hot this shit is.
Hey yo, this joint is death. This joint is death. I'm starting to itch. I'm starting to itch. Like I'm a fiend.
Yeah.
Put the bottles of water right here. I'm starting to itch like a fiend, bro. Woo. Read that time to me, sis. Left. Left. All right. Woo. I got hiccups. My nose is running. I'm drawing crazy. Hey, I see myself in the mirror. Hey, I'm ready, yo. Woo! Put that bottle of water right here.
Can I get some water?
Put that bottle of water. Give him water if you need it. My brain about to pop, y'all. Time.
He's dying right now. Told you, milk. Milk does the job. Milk does the job.
2 minutes. Damn, it felt forever.
Go low, Naomi.
My chest is burning. Chest is burning. I need to blow my nose.
Drink some milk.
I'm vegan, so I don't drink milk.
I know you're not gonna drink milk, but he could drink milk. It'll help him.
Give me milk.
It's in the refrigerator. Mom, that's not gonna help. Alexia, get on the milk.
Alexia, time.
I don't drink that jar. Better chug that jar. It'll help.
Alexia, time.
50 minutes.
I'm sweating.
Oh, you got it.
Count down for me.
44, 42, 41.
Hey, don't count down. That sound is annoying. Get nauseous. Tell me.
25.
I can't wait to drink that water.
Bad day.
Count down to me, sis.
12, 11, 12,
I can't breathe.
6,
5, 4.
Hey, bro.
1.
We did it. Well, I did it.
I can't breathe.
Give him milk. Give him milk. In case he's
We
allergic.
did give him milk. He's throwing it up. You regretting life right now.
I hope you're not allergic to that, bro.
He not allergic. It's too hot.
No, seriously, some people's throats could like seal up. Rick, take your time. You don't have asthma, do you? You don't have asthma, do you?
He do have asthma.
Take your time, bro. No. Seriously, I don't need. Breathe in, bro. Breathe in. Mom, does anybody have an asthma?
Mom!
Does anybody have an asthma?
Alexa. Yeah, Mom got an asthma. Here.
Give him the inhaler.
Mom! He freaking having an asthma attack. He just got a freaking thing like he sold it off.
Breathe, bro. Breathe calmly.
She said she don't have an asthma pump.
Breathe calmly. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Calmly. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Calmly. I know, easier said than done, right? The water being so much better. Like, calmly. Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Great mess for us to clean.
Sorry. In through your nose. Don't panic. You panic, you're gonna let your lungs close up. Calmly.
Oh shit, I'm standing in the camera.
You need more water? Calmly.
I forgot I'm standing in the camera. Like,
Don't even worry about the camera. Y'all both got those. It's alright, man.
can I see this? Oh. This is legit.
You might need some more liquid. Because my tongue is still burning. You want some more water? Here, man. Here, sip some, man. Sip so it can go down your throat. Them joints is hot. Good thing is that I like spicy food, so I didn't expect it to have that reaction on me.
He didn't believe me when I told him. He said he liked hot stuff too. Wasn't ready for this.
I think I am the champion of hot foods right now until they invent a hotter pepper. Somebody out there's gonna be like, but it was dry. If it was fresh, it would have been hotter. Listen, you try to dry John. My mouth is gonna burn me.
Give you props. I don't think I can do this.
You want to try it? What? On camera though, you gonna die. Nah, I think that's for round 2. We gotta do a whole nother video where I just have her try with y'all two, the sisters.
She's gonna die.
Yeah, y'all probably gonna die.
I'm not gonna die. She'll probably die.
Wow, my throat.
I've ate a lot of hot stuff. I've drank a lot of hot stuff. Alex, you couldn't even drink a bottle of hot sauce.
I did.
You guys don't need to argue about that.
We're not gonna argue. Janita over here dying, and I'm not arguing with you.
Drink more milk, man, because
Oh, they fixed
my throat
it.
is burning. My throat burning and your throat burning.
They fixed it.
You want some more milk, man? Here. This is supposed to soothe it. It's supposed to. I don't know if it works, but it's supposed to soothe you. It's hot. Boy, the pepper is hot and it tastes like dark, like death. Like it puts hair on your chest. Like right now, my mouth is. If I keep wow. Imagine fiberglass. You know the crystals when you sand fiberglass is microscopic pieces of glass. Now imagine millions of them stabbing your throat. It's just like stabbing at your throat, at your tongue, at your mouth, at your esophagus. My stomach feels hot. You see, he's over there like dying. My stomach feels hot. I thought it would have went away already. Wow.
It wasn't as bad as earlier. Now he's better a little bit. Go ahead.
He's getting better. Death is death.
Go hard or something? I don't know.
Well, you got a toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Give me the toothbrush.
Alright, y'all, so I think that's it for our ghost pepper challenge. It's your boy Toon Dollars. All about $1. My mouth is all about heat right now.
Hey, it's a brand new one, but it's with the kids on.
This young got my brother wanted to brush his teeth. Y'all see that? Whoa. Whoa, he looked like a whole different homie character.
Asthma pump. Here. Here.
That shit is the hottest shit on earth.
Help me breathe. Use it.
That's my toothbrush.
What, oh, she had an asthma pump. See, I didn't even know he had asthma. I goes to show you.
Yeah.
Yo, look it. This is the only thing that's gonna save his life. Here, yo, asthma pump.
Kitchen, right here. Right here. It's over here. This way.
Whoa.
It didn't last too long, did it?
He lasted like 9 seconds.
Wow.
Right there.
Not even. He went over there like dying.
Oh, shit.
Short is death though. My mouth still
Put
burning.
a mop or squeeze it and pick all that and trash it.
Mom.
I know when you're done. Oh my god. I know I can't handle that.
No, you'll go to hospital.
Oh shit.
You wanna make some spicy food? You make spicy food with this. You want the chili?
You drink that whole water too?
I know like 2 or 3 of them already.
That's how hot it is?
But I lasted the 5
What's
minutes.
the other one?
Hell yeah.
Oh shit.
It's the hottest one on earth.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it got like it's a certain word for the hottest pepper.
Carolina Reaper.
No, like it's a scale.
Scovilles. They got like 2 million Scoville units of heat. Something like that extremely hot. Is there any more new bottles of water around here? I brought a couple, right?
Yeah, it should be. Let me go pee.
Thank you. Bro, somebody really love you. They just keep blowing the phone up.
Probably peaches.
But would her number be stored?
No, that's my brother. No, that's my brother.
Oh, he calling
He
you
was
back.
calling me, but we just getting this shit started. And I didn't want to interrupt my fucking thing. So I said, fuck it. I told bro, I'm down and it's for show. And I did it. It was for show, but I didn't last. And I didn't complete it. But that shit is the hottest shit on earth.
I appreciate your participation, mate.
Alright.
You better take water, dog.
It's a reaction, Alexia.
Plenty of water, man.
I should brought some fucking gum.
You need tissue?
Ooh, nah, I need that blunt. What the fuck is it?
You wanna smoke? You crazy, dog. You gonna kill yourself.
Here you go if you need tissue.
Mom, there's a whole new one out here.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, so that concludes today's little challenge. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlogs, and I ain't no more vlogging. Another video, right? I holla.